The do-it-yourself fabric bulletin board with foam core uses this builder's insulation foam for its center, so it's very lightweight. It's easy to measure and cut. It comes in a 4x8 panel, so you can make a number of them from that board. So you just slit one side partway through and then just give it a pop and slit the plastic on the back, and you can cut it to any size that you would like. This one I'm making is 1 foot by 1 foot, and so I needed a 1/2 yard of fabric. Cut the fabric 2 inches larger than the size of your foam core. Start with the corners. Open that stapler out flat so it can staple freely. Then push up the sides and staple those down as well. The only hard thing about this project is how many of them that you want to make and what size you would like to make, that's for sure. It may take a little extra care where you're going through several layers of fabric, but it's so easy to do. You use pins and push pins or staples to hang your items up on the board. Aren't these cute? They look so nice in a kid's room or to brighten up any space that you're needing a bulletin board. I hung mine up with these binder clips, but you could also use command strips. Do-it-yourself fabric bulletin board with foam core is found over at Welcome to Nana's, along with other great ideas for crafts and activities. Come and join the fun.